What's up, tartlets? It's Jen, and today we are going to create a dewy, fun, fresh look with a subtle rosy glow. First, I'm going to prep my skin with our Base Tape Hydrating Primer. I cannot say enough good things about this. It offers 12 hours of hydration, which is like, I need that, especially this time of year. It also has grapeseed and jojoba seed extract, so it's really nourishing, really hydrating, and it smells incredible. It literally smells like a pina colada. I love wearing this. I actually have been kind of wearing it as like a moisturizer on my chest area too, because I love how it smells. So I'm like, maybe I'll just smell like this all day, and I do. Prepping your skin and getting it really hydrated is imperative if you're trying to create that subtle dewy glow that looks very natural, because especially right now, like, I don't know, the heat is just drying me out. I'm actually dry all year round, but it's very hard for me to achieve that glow, so using products like this, it's gonna give me that, and already, look at that, my skin is just like luminous. But we're gonna make it look even better. Now I'm gonna take our Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation in the shade Fair. This is so nice too. This is 20% water-based, so it's really hydrating, really nourishing. It also has that marine plant extract in it, so it's gonna protect your skin from daily aggressors, and it's just antioxidant rich. And I'm gonna be applying it with our brand new Aqua Flash foundation brush. Look how cute this is. It's like a coral handle. I just love it so much. And it's a really nice, soft, dense tip that's not gonna like eat up your foundation. It's just gonna give you a flawless finish. Now for a bright, dewy under eye, I'm gonna conceal with our creaseless concealer in the shade Fair. This baby is so brightening and so hydrating, and it's infused with maracuja oil, so it's gonna give you that extra nourishment, which is crucial for around the eye area. Now for a natural looking brow, I'm gonna fill my brows in with our Busy Gal Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Black Brown. It also has this fine spoolie to give you hair-like strokes, which is perfect for creating naturally feathery brows. Now I'm going to contour my nose and carve out some cheekbones with our brand new Tarte Pro Glow and Blush Palette. So I contoured down the sides of the bridge of the nose to give a more slender appearance, and I'm also applying right to the tip of my nose to help shorten the appearance of it as well. Now to give my nose more sloped appearance, I'm just picking up a little bit of this highlighter shade, and I'm gonna pop it right on the tip of my nose to give it that little boop, sloped appearance. I feel like it does that. I feel like that's the sound effect it should have. Boop. Okay. Now we're gonna give our cheekbones and eyes a really nice, subtle, natural glow using the liquid end of our Gleam Team highlighter. I'm just blending this out with my fingertips, warming it up and just blending it right into my skin. Now for long, voluminous looking lashes, I'm going to apply a couple coats of our Man-Eater mascara. Now we're going to add a pop of color to our lip and cheeks using our Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash lipstick in the shade Sundays. Now I'm going to apply this just by tapping it onto my lips to give myself a nice natural rouge, and we're going to apply a little bit to our fingertips and just tap it right into our cheeks. And there you have it, tartlets. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial, and let me know in the comment section below if you want to see more natural makeup looks. All right, guys, until next time, mwah! Take care, tartlets.